Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that USDT, or Tether, is one of the most popular stablecoins out there. It's pegged to the US dollar, making it super stable amidst all the crypto volatility. But what if you need to move your USDT from one blockchain chain to another, like from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain? Don't worry, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide that's straightforward and secure. First things first, understand that blockchains are like separate networks, and transferring assets between them often requires a bridge or a cross-chain service. In 2025, tools like multi-chain, Wormhole, or even centralized exchanges have made this process easier and faster. Start by choosing a reliable bridge platform. I recommend sticking to well-known ones to avoid any scams. Always do your research. Step 1. Connect your crypto wallet. Most bridges support popular wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Once connected, select the source chain where your USDT is currently held and the destination chain where you want it to go. For example, if your USDT is on Ethereum, pick that as the source. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Double-check everything because blockchain transactions are irreversible. You'll see a fee estimate. Remember, these can vary based on network congestion, so factor that into your plans. Hit confirm, and the bridge will handle the swap. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the chains involved. A quick tip. Always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan or BSC Scan to ensure everything's gone through smoothly. In 2025, with advancements in tech, some bridges even offer instant transfers, but security should always come first. Avoid public Wi-Fi when making transfers to protect your assets. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from one chain to another in 2025. It's a game changer for managing your crypto portfolio. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next video.